whole life insurance companies of September 2021. Whole life insurance has distinct advantages granted within the policy, cash value and coverage for as long as you live. वीडियो निकाल कर Life insurance sales just hit an all-time high up. Eight compared to the this time in 2020 according to Limera. To help you find the best whole life insurance companies, we evaluated insurer using data provided by Verilytic, a leading publisher of pricing and performance research and competitive ratings for cash value life insurance product. Compare life insurance. How much does life cost? Policies. Age 33. अंदर बैठा How does whole life insurance work? Whole life insurance is one of the oldest forms of life insurance. For most of 90s, it was the most common form of life insurance in the United States. Whole life insurance continues to be popular and represented 33% of the total life insurance new premium in the fourth quarter of 2019 according to Limra in industry founded research group. Whole life insurance policies are intended to cover your entire life. The policies features generated premium, guaranteed cash value, and guaranteed death benefits. Dividends are common on whole life insurance policies. Participating whole life insurance policies pay a dividend and are offered by mutual insurance companies. Non-participating whole life insurance policies do not pay a dividend and are offered by stock insurance companies. You typically have a choice of how to use your dividends. Common options include taking the dividends such as putting in a toward premium, purchasing paid up additionals. Purchasing paid up additionals will increase the cash value and death benefits. If you have a policy, loan dividends can be used to pay loan interest and to pay back the loan. Insurance companies may offer other dividends options. Non-participating whole life insurance policies issued by a stock life insurance company may earn interest on the cash value. Whole life insurance policies include a limit payment period option. These policies will have a higher premium, but you are pay for a shorter time. Whole life insurer is a financial flashpoint. Almost everyone in the personal financial world has an opinion, but there is regular heated debate about whether you should purchase a whole life insurance policy or buy term life insurance and invest the difference. Which is the better, term life or whole life? Term life insurance and whole life insurance are very different products. If you are buying life insurance, start by considering your life insurance needs and goals. Here are some ways to figure out if you need term life or whole life insurance. term life insurance may be best if your life insurance need is based on a finite period of time, such as coverage, unity, and retire. Your main concern is coverage while you are paying off a specific debit, such as the years of a mortgage. You have children and want to ensure they will have money for college if you pass away unexpectedly. Whole life insurance may be best if you have a lifetime financial independence, such as a special needs shield. You want to provide a death benefit for further expenses no matter when you pass away. You want life insurance that builds cash value that you can access through policy loan or withdrawal. Also, whole life insurance that builds cash value that you can assess through a policy's loan or withdraw. Also, whole life insurance is a good fit for consumers with a low risk total risk thinking after lifetime coverage and a tax forward wealth accumulation, says Barry Flagg, founder of Verylytic.